Want to learn how to get logged into your Roblox account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Roblox app on my phone. You can also do the same and then tap on it. You're to the very first page of Roblox app. Make sure to have an account, and if you do not know how to create one, you can visit our channel and watch the video related to Roblox. Since we are trying to log into a Roblox account, tap on login below sign up. Tap on username, email or phone and enter your username, email or phone. And then tap on password below and enter your password. When you're done doing both, tap on login below. You can see that just by doing it, you have been logged into your own account. And Christine Evans 57, that's my username. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.